Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are bringing out the practice tips again. So I absolutely fell in love with this wallpaper and I had to have it on my nails. So I figured I would go ahead and film this. This originally was filmed for the 13 Nights of Halloween, but I ended up having more Halloween-y type nails. So I went ahead and just went and edited this one out and figured I would just post it later. So mid this, I decided to cut off a piece of the brush because it was sticking out and was driving me crazy. And then we continue. But I thought I would leave that in there just in case if you saw it, what I do with the brushes who have hairs that stick out. So I will go ahead and apply a little bit of a slip layer, and then we kind of pillow it down because this one can get really streaky if you don't make sure that you either A, have a really good coat, or B, have a couple of thin coats. But since I'm doing this on practice tips, I would normally embed this, but I am not. So that's why I'm doing kind of a little bit of a floating method.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding.
Okay, taking 22, I believe I was gonna say 220, 22, and we are going to add those kind of like orangey parts and then start outlining and then adding the leaves. Don't worry, I don't leave a ton of the like scraping in, like I just try to show you the pieces that actually make sense, so I cut out like kind of all the nonsense of it. So I will go ahead and let you watch me stamp these out.
Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. 'Cause you got me holding, holding.
All right, coming in with top coat. So for top coating over stamping, you want to be very, very careful that you don't get a top coat that A, that's going to recede a ton, and B, that it is going to pivot or like leave little holes in it. So what I do is I top coat one nail at a time and then flash cure it, and then I go on to the next nail. So each nail here, I actually pause and then go in and flash cure and then come back. And then I actually do a second coat just to make sure that stamping is nice and secure. That way it doesn't rub off. All right, taking off that tacky layer, applying cuticle oil, and that's gonna finish it up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.